It is my favourite season. We're going to make a really simple apple pie spiced with all of your favourite autumnal flavours, although mine at least. So get on board. Peel, core and wedge 6 medium-sized apples. I've gone for sweet ones. Add to a bowl with 50 grams of brown sugar and 50 grams of granulated sugar. The zest of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a tiny pinch of ground cloves. And 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is going to help thicken the juices so you don't get a soggy bottom. Grease and flour a pie dish and roll out some ready-made shortcrust pastry nice and thin. This is going to go into the base of your pie dish. Add on your apples, retaining any excess juice. We're going to do a lattice top, but you don't need to. You can go straight over with your pie crust. Maybe add a little apple design if you want to. To make a lattice, you are weaving strips of shortcrust pastry. So 1 strip lays over, then under, then over, then under to create a web across your pie. If you go for a full pie lid, just make sure you pop in some steam holes. A magic little ingredient is cinnamon sugar from Waitrose that I'm just dusting over the top, and then I'm just trimming off excess pastry. Then it's into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling through. Allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes before you serve, just to give the filling time to set. A slice of that with a blob of creme fraiche or a scoop of ice cream.